Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today I'm going to show you how to make paneer, also known as Indian cheese. For this recipe, all you are going to need is vinegar, milk, a pot for boiling, and a piece of muslin cloth for straining. And we need some water to pour over the cheese. Now we are going to pour the milk into the pot. We're not going to turn on the stove until we pour the milk. We will turn on the stove and we are going to wait until milk is boiled. Milk is ready to boil now. Okay, so you lower the heat. Okay. No. So we're gonna add vinegar little by little. And the heat is still on, it's not off. And we're not touching it. It's still boiling and we'll check if it needs more vinegar. Here is curding now. We're gonna wait until it's turned like water and the curd separated. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. It's still boiling. We're waiting for that greenish water in there. I think I'm gonna add a little more. Now it's getting clear. Here, look at this water, but we're still gonna cook a little more. I'm gonna add a bit more. Now you can see this greenish slash jelloish water in there, and our milk is separated from the water. Now we only have this clear water in there. That's what we're looking for. I'm not gonna stir it because I wanna pick it up whole thing at once, and after that we will strain it. We're gonna strain this into muslin fabric or cloth, whatever you say. Usually what I do, I will pick at the top part, which is really solid. That helps remove the water. So here, basically I think I grab everything and pour into muslin cloth. Now we need to pour cold water on the top so it can stop the cooking process. Now since we pour everything in here, we're gonna pour cold water on top. Basically we're washing it. So you can hold 4 corners like this, or even 2, and then squeeze it. Make sure you don't burn yourself because it's a little bit hot, but not that crazy. You can take under the tap. That's the easiest way. That's what I do usually, and I wanted to show you, so that's why I did this. So now I squeezed it, and now we're gonna leave it. Even you can hang on the faucet, on the hook, or anywhere. After tie it, we're gonna hang it somewhere for like around 10 to 15 minutes. If you want more, you can do that. Then I will show you the next process. Here is our paneer. It's almost 15 minutes. And now next step is what we need. We need another plate. We need 2 plates, or you can use anything. So here 1 plate, and I'm gonna put another plate on the top. Basically what we're doing, we are smoothing out the paneer and also excess water. And we can choose any method. You basically put any weight on it. So I think this will fall down. I'm not using that, and usually I use this one because I never make that little amount. So what we do, it can fall. So we're gonna just do this. It's so that way it won't move around if you have a kids in the home. So be careful because they are heavy. This weight is heavy and you can choose how much weight you want. And after that, now it's standing like that. And another thing, we're gonna move this knot one side so it won't be in the middle. So here, okay, if you like it, you can choose. If you don't want to do this process, once you strain it, let it drain it for a little bit, you can make a sabji without anything. But I want to cut the pieces, so that's the reason I'm doing this. They're gonna give you a like brick and you can make it pieces. And now we're going to wait maybe hour or two. Okay, this is our paneer. It's almost 1 hour and let's check it. This looking very nice. It's nice and stiff and we need to open it. And after I cut the pieces, I will be back, but I want to show you how it look like. Look at this. Looks very nice and smooth. Okay, our paneer is ready. Here is the final look. I'm going to be making recipes, many recipes that uses paneer. So I thought I would show you how to make your own. So that way you don't have to go to store to get it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to make more videos. Speaking of videos, go check out my previous videos. Thank you and have a great day.